Gorkha Union Mokokchung pa December 16 tai kha naga Golden Jubilee manaishi adapt and move forward laga theme under Nagaland Legislative Assembly Speaker Sharingyan Nongkamar pa special guest kridigina celebration do grace kridishi arota de khota korea homoy Gorkha Union pa kiniga Mokokchung de development ani bole karne modot dishi etu junaishi niga hoigina program de Mokokchung Deputy Commissioner IAS Ajit Kumar Verma au Sindan General Secretary Imti Pokim aro Nagaland Gorkha Association President Nobin Pradhan Prabi Kota Krishi.
Now begun to proceed for the formal inauguration of the Jubilee exhibition. Following the inauguration, the exhibition will be open for everyone to view and to soak in a glimpse of our shared history. Request the guests to remain seated until the formal inauguration is completed.
Ladies and gentlemen, हमारा गोरखा परिवार का आज ये 50 years Golden Jubilee लगा नाम दे हमें जो souvenir this year. I give thanks to our Lord, and I also give thanks to all the people who were behind in the preparation of this souvenir, 50 years souvenir, and I congratulate you and your team and everyone who has put their efforts. This beautiful souvenir which will come out celebrating 50 years of Gorkha legacy.
May I take the privilege to give the first copy to Sri Sharingyan Nongkamar.
ঘর সাফা করা দেয় আপনি আমি ইচ্ছা দিবি আপনি আমি মদত করবি কিন্তু ইটো নকৰে কিনে আমাৰ দরজা খুলিলে আমাৰ নিজৰ বৰবাদ হ'ব I will not be able to protect you. You will not be able to support me. And we will face difficult and challenging situations. So in order to avert that, we are taking one thing at a time. I believe the government is taking one thing at a time. But be assured that whatever it may be, for the community who have sacrificed so much to bring Nagaland to what it is today, to bring Mogokchung to what it is today, you have our full support. So on this auspicious day, আমি আৰু টাইম বেছি নল'ব কিন্তু এইটো বিকশিত ভাৰত নালাগে আমিতো রিজনাল পার্টি পৰা রিপ্রেজেন্ট কৰিছে কিন্তু নাও আই এম এ পলিটিক্যাল so I do not speak about party but that vision of Honorable Prime Minister that सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका प्रयास इतने सबका सपना भी वही ही है और ये 21 साल में होगा जरूर होगा उस 21 साल में हम क्या करना चाहिए कैसा फॉर्मुलेट करना चाहिए that is where we have to come together that is where we have to adapt with one another and move forward with aspiration, with brotherhood, with collective vision to a developed Mogokchung, to a developed 26th Honorable Assembly constituency, to a developed 9 other assembly constituencies in Mogokchung, because that will be the growth engine for a Viksit Nagaland 2047. Itu ami laka swapna ase আজি 50 years ke share কৰিছে সময় দিছে বেছি খুশি পাইছে but I don't consider myself as a special guest here I'm a family member of the party so I come prepared with the topi and the gun since I am part of the family so with those few words I want to thank the organizing committee for a beautiful organization of the 50 years celebration. I also thank our most respected and revered leaders of the village councils, Tatars, who have given their time. They have a lot of work, including Deputy Commissioner and also the General Secretary. But they have given the presence. So I want to thank all of you for giving me this honor to share a few words of what I have taught. I hope that in years to come, the community will approach me, means my community, me also individually, and my community also collectively, on how to make this program, on how to work together in the next 2 years. I hope the community prepares for a historic momentous 75th celebration of the Burma community in Mogokchung, where we will be celebrating nearly 300 years of history, legacy, and development. With those few words, thank you so much. God bless the Burma Union Mogokchung. God bless the Burma Association of Nagaland, led by the President. God bless all of you. Jai Hind, Kupnalim, Jai Burma.
And the government of Nagaland have recognized those who have settled earlier, prior to 1940 December, and granted non-Naga indigenous inhabitants to those Purvas. On the strength of that, P.P. Gurung has contested in elected as member of Lok Songpa Committee in the 70s. At present, we have Dr. Human Rai, Councillor of Lok Song Municipal Council, who is also one of the senior advocates in Lok Song. This non-Naga indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland is granted to the descendants, paternal lines to the descendants of those who have settled prior to December 1940. After so many years of settlement in Nagaland, sense of oneness and feeling of togetherness have led to the formation of this Gurkha Union in Lok Song, and today we are celebrating the fruits of that union. May this golden jubilee be another stepping stone for the progress and advancement of the Gurkha community in Lok Song. I want to cite one example. For the recruitment of soldiers in the Gurkha regiment,
we've been very fortunate to have an MLA who has raised our concerns in the last assembly session of Nagaland State Assembly. We are thankful to leaders like them. We have leaders in Nagaland right now who understand what a Gurkha is. We are very fortunate to have leaders, educated leaders, who have worked with the Gurkhas, who have known the Gurkhas, who have grown up with the Gurkhas. We are very fortunate to have leaders like them, and we expect and we are sure that Gurkhas will never be let down in any way. Similarly, Gurkhas in Nagaland also have their responsibility towards the state and the society. In all the districts, wherever we stay, we have a responsibility. We should be able to fulfill that responsibility. It is not that we only have expectations from the Naga society. We also should have the responsibility to donate, to give to the Naga society wherever we are settled. Honesty, loyalty is a trait that we share with our Naga brothers. But we should develop on that. We should take it more further. Wherever we go in Nagaland, there is not a single Naga tribe or a Naga person or a Naga individual who will say that Gurkhas are useless, Gurkhas are traitors, Gurkhas are not honest people. That is a trait that we should build upon, and we should be very proud of our ancestors who have built these qualities in us. Today, as I stand here, I remember our late Sri B.V. Gurung, who was the former president of Nagaland Gurkha Association. I would like to also name Sri Prakash Aleju. They have taken Nagaland Gurkha Association till this, and it would not have been proper for me not to name those people who had guided us. Similarly, in the same way, like our former convener has named so many persons who had founded Gurkha Union in Lok Song. So we should be able to build up on that. We are so thankful to the government of Nagaland, led by Dr. Srinipi Rio, that we are fortunate to have a Gurkha as a member of the municipal council, Sri Hemant Raiju. Similarly, in the recently concluded municipal elections, one of our community members in Kohima was also given a party ticket. That she lost is a different question, but the thing that, raised our hopes, the thing that made us feel so happy and accepted was that when Priyadarshini Rana was given an NPF ticket to contest in the last municipal elections, not a single organization from Nagaland raised their voices against that decision of the government to give a ticket to her. So that shows the Naga people's acceptance of Gurkhas as one of their own. So basically on all these, we Gurkhas also should have a commitment that we should do something for the people of Nagaland, we should do something for the state of Nagaland. It is not that we just gather ourselves, have celebrations among ourselves. We should reach out to the people of Nagaland. It is such an honor and such a happy thing to see so many other tribes also who have joined in our celebrations today. And credit goes to the Gorkha Union Mokshu for having reached this stage of embracing all the communities of Mokshu, all the communities of Nagaland. I'm so happy to have been able to address all of you from this platform here, and I'm thankful to the Gorkha community for inviting us, from inviting our sister units from all of the districts. And I'd like to conclude my speech by saying that we have more better times to come. The only thing is we have to have resilience in us, we have to have honesty in us, we have to have the big heart that the Naga people shares with us. We should have even more bigger heart so that we should be able to contribute to the Naga society and the state and become one of them. Saying with this, I conclude my speech and I thank you all for having me. Jai Gorkha, Khub Naga.
For if you really want to measure the success of a society, it is not defined by the buildings we are having. It's not defined by the roads we are having. It's defined by the social fabric we are having. It's defined by the comfort and safety of the minorities we are having. So I want to say that our team leaders are there. That we need to utilize the potential and the legacy of Gorkha community in the leadership of our Sandan by giving due respect and by giving due consultation with them, so that we can come up with a social fabric for which India is known for. We need to take the भाई जैसा मान के बात करके, I think we need to make a plan and we need to go ahead to ensure that social safety is there, the social harmony is there, and the inter-community cooperation is there. Because in spite of achieving the development, many countries in the globe are not able to survive in spite of having a lot of development, because the social harmony is not there. The inter-community cooperation is not there. So I think in the long term, if we want to sustain for the development, we need to work on the social aspect. So I think I was given time for the short speech, but I was so happy that I want to speak various aspects of my understanding, my experiences having in Nagaland and other part of the country. So with these concluding remarks, I think we need to prove that Samuel Huntington was wrong in his perception. And that's why the India is a nation still surviving and flourishing. We are moving towards Viksit Bharat 2047. Mohani Dukane Pariyasa. Otherwise, Mohani Parvale Thakala. Because of few people we are able to survive, we are able to live. Mohani Dukane Parvale Jayase. Lastly, my best wishes to entire Gorkha community. As a DC, I want to extend my heartfelt greetings to each and every member of Gorkha community on behalf of the district administration and all the government departments. Thank you so much.